Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a warning light that scares almost every car owner. Drivetrain malfunction. If this message pops up on your dashboard, don't panic. In this video, I'll explain what it means, why it happens, how to fix it, and my pro mechanic tips to prevent costly repairs. So make sure to watch till the end. Before we talk about the malfunction, you need to understand what the drivetrain is. The drivetrain is the system that sends power from the engine to the wheels. It includes engine, transmission, drive shaft, differential, axles. If any of these parts fail or send incorrect data to the car's computer, the system triggers drivetrain malfunction. Cause 1. Bad ignition coil or spark plug. One of the most common causes is a misfiring cylinder due to a bad ignition coil or spark plug. When the engine misfires, the drivetrain can't deliver power smoothly, triggering the warning. Cause 2. Faulty sensors. Modern cars rely heavily on sensors. If a mass airflow sensor, oxygen sensor, or crankshaft sensor sends incorrect data, the car loses balance in fuel and air mixture, causing drivetrain malfunction. Cause 3. Low or dirty transmission fluid. When transmission fluid gets low or burnt, the transmission can't shift properly. This puts stress on the drivetrain and triggers the warning. Cause 4. Fuel system problems. Blocked fuel injectors, weak fuel pump, or dirty fuel filters also cause the engine to run rough, leading to drivetrain malfunction. Cause 5. Bad drive shaft, CV joint, or differential issues. If you hear clunking, vibrations, or whining from under the vehicle, the issue may be mechanical, like CV joint failure or differential problems. Cause 6. Software glitch or ECU problem. Sometimes it's just a computer error. A simple scan and reset can fix it. First step, always scan the car with an OBD2 scanner. The code will tell you exactly where the problem is. Fix 2. Check engine oil and transmission fluid. Low or dirty fluids can cause drivetrain issues. Top up or change them if necessary. Fix 3. Replace spark plugs or ignition coils. If the scan shows misfire codes, P0300, P0306, replace the coil and spark plug of that cylinder. Fix 4. Clean MAF or throttle body. Dust buildup can confuse sensors. Cleaning often removes the warning. Fix 5. Repair drive shaft, CV axles. If you hear noises or vibrations, have a mechanic inspect under the car. Fix 6. Update ECU or reset system. Sometimes the dealership or mechanic needs to reprogram the car's computer. Here are my pro tips to avoid drivetrain issues. Change oil every 5,000–7,000 kilometers. Use manufacturer-approved fluids. Don't ignore small vibrations. Clean air filters and sensors regularly. Warm up your car for 1–2 minutes before driving. Avoid sudden hard acceleration when the engine is cold. These small habits prevent 70% of drivetrain problems. And that's everything you need to know about drivetrain malfunction. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment what issue you want next. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.